All right, guys, time to do 2016-17 Hit Parade Series 3 autographed baseball cards. So there are 10 hits altogether, 5 autos, 5 relics, 13 cards total, including 3 inserts, and case hits of Jordan, LeBron, Steph Curry, guys like that are in this. So let's see if we can pull one of those guys. So here is the list of teams. Brian G., you've got the Clippers and the Heat. Cole, you've got a bunch of teams here with the Nets, the Hornets, the Bulls, the Cavs, the Nuggets, the Pistons, the Rockets, the Pelicans, the Knicks, the Thunder, Sixers, Suns, Spurs, Jazz. And then you've got the Hawks, Mavericks, Magic, Kings, and the Wizards. So thanks, Cole, for grabbing all those. Grant, you've got the Pacers. Jack with the Grizzlies and Timberwolves. Ronald, what's up, man? You've got the Celtics and the Warriors. Rusty with the Lakers. Sean H. with the Bucks and Trailblazers. And then Stephen B., you've got the Toronto Raptors. Are you really fighting for a Kel Johnson? Is that what is happening right now? Marty is actually fighting for that scrub relic card. I'm sure Brian won't mind. All right, no case hit in this one. All right, looks like we got inserts up first here. And of course, they're going to give me a bunch of college cards. So Andrew Nicholson up first. With no name on that one. No team, I'm sorry. Jeff Hornacek, $199 for the Jazz. And we got a nice Wilt Chamberlain here. Nice insert on the Wilt. Let's see if it has a team. No, that's a college card, Kansas. All right, so let me look these guys up. All right, so Andrew Nicholson right now plays for Brooklyn, but it's length of service, so that's going to be Orlando. Now I can't even remember Wilt Chamberlain. Is it going to be Lakers? It is going to be Lakers. All right. So Lakers and Orlando, grabbing a couple of inserts there. All right, then we've got a nice Kobe insert. All right, and then the autos. We got Ryan Hollins, on-card auto to 50, 46 out of 50 for press pass. And of course, no team. All right, so Ryan Hollins. So he played the most amount of games with the Clippers. So the Clippers going to grab this one. All right, then what do we got here? Gordon Gurasek for the Memphis Grizzlies. We got Eric Daniels for the Kings. Auto. We've got a relic here, Ron Artest for the Pacers. Nice all-star relic. Got a Richard Jefferson for the Nets. Corey Maggette, jersey piece there for the Clippers. Got a nice Jason Kidd, piece of New Jersey net, the court. Pretty cool. Then we've got a Sean May for the Bobcats. We got a nice duel here for Yao Ming and Tim Duncan. So Rockets and Spurs. That's going to be Cole on both of those, so no random there. And then the last card of the break is going to be a Paul Millsap jersey piece for the Jazz. All right, and that's going to do it for this box. So we'll get all those hits, inserts, everything in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And I think I've got 2 or 3 more boxes of this, so hopefully we can pull one of those nice case hits out of the next couple.